back to my YouTube channel. My name is Nabila Milisha if you're new, and if you're here, you've been rocking with me, welcome back. So today I am going to unbox something that I ordered myself from Zara. And let's get to unboxing. Okay, let's see. This box is different. I don't know what I'm doing. I feel like it has this strip because normally, you just like scissor it open, but you just rip it open. Ooh. I am so excited, guys. Let's see. I like how nicely they packaged this up, and I'm only just tearing it apart. Oh my goodness. Wait, guys. So I'm seeing that. What is this? Did I order something else? That I forgot I ordered? Because I know I ordered a set in dark blue, but this is clearly black. So what is this?
That's
oh my god!
So cute. I saw that in the store.
I bought this and I forgot that I bought this. What? Look at me. Do y'all do that, or am I just the only one who just buys stuff and then you forget that you ordered? But this is gigantic though. Why is it so long? It's so cute though. Look at this. Guys, can y'all see this? The legs are like ultra long, and I'm currently like wearing heels and it's still super long, but you guys know I can easily do some alterations to it. But this is, I forgot that I bought this. Okay. Guys, I am just so shocked at the fact that I got this item. So I'm gonna just hurry up and try it. Don't worry, I'm not stripping down. I got shorts on, okay? Okay, wait, let me just stand right there. And then I'm trying to balance. Okay, right there we have one leg in. This is so cute already. You got a zipper closure on the side. I gotta wiggle myself in. Ooh, I feel like I can't breathe. Okay, we got it. Okay, that means that the girls are safe and secure. Ooh, this is definitely not an everyday thing because, yeah, baby, the girls can't breathe. But I don't know how it looks right now. Oh, I actually like the combination of, because it looks like it's just one thing. Look at us already styling this. But I don't know how the crotch is though. I feel like maybe I can get away with it because it's a baggy pant, but I don't know if it's too baggy. Because this is nice and tight and tailored. I like though. I see my reflection over there. Well guys, since I can't see myself fully, except for this partial reflection, how about you comment down below and tell me how you feel about this outfit? Should I keep it? Do you like it? Do you love it? Would you like to see the link so you could get it for yourself or your best friend? Comment down below, let me know. Until the next video, guys.